Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just going to try something different over the next few months. We're going to try keep a little beekeeper's blog, see how that goes. So it is Wednesday the 4th of February. It's 6 degrees. I've been at the apiary today, just trying to do a bit more oxalic acid treatments onto the hives. We've got 6 colonies at the moment, 5 of them at the original site and 1 of them at a separate site which we've just started. Well, we will be starting the season. I've moved the bees over. It's just 1 colony plus 2 empty. There's 1 nuke plus 2 empty hives at the moment. So anyway, I always babble. I just thought I'd start a little blog, see how it goes on, what I'm thinking about as the season goes on. Hopefully just short little videos. Today I am heading to the Anglesey Beekeeping Association. I think it's the first meeting of the year. I have been a member since last year. I never got to any of the meetings just for my job. I used to have to work every Wednesday. So yeah, I'm gonna head down now to the ABKA meeting. I'm a little bit nervous, but I think it'd be nice to speak to, so it'd be nice to meet and speak to other beekeepers, see how they do things. But I mean, tonight I think it's just about getting to know people. I'm running late, so I shouldn't really be doing this. So wish me luck. Here we come to the ABKA meeting. Watch out guys, honey herd on the way. Okay, well that was an absolute mission. I'm down in the back road somewhere. It is absolutely pitch black. There's no lights anywhere. I've seen a big line of cars, so I'm gonna go and have a look and see if this is it. Okay, well, if you never hear from me again, I was lost in the hills of Anglesey. See you next time. Well, just did my first ever bee meeting. Actually really interesting. I didn't know what to expect. They were supposed to have a guest talker tonight, something about wildflower meadows, but that's been put off till another time. But it's really interesting actually. It's nice to see so many other beekeepers. There's a bit of a few people in front, like a panel of experienced beekeepers, various positions in the association. A lot of subjects covered, the Asian hornet being a big one, the varroamite obviously. Yeah, so got some interesting stuff. I think I'll be back for the next one. I've got a course starting the same place next week. It's an improvers course. I've never ever done any beekeeping courses, even though I've done a full season of having bees, keeping bees. Never actually done a beekeeping course. I think they call it an improvers course, so that'll be interesting. Yeah, all in all, fantastic little night. Didn't have time to stop for cake and tea and cake, as a lot of people are doing now. Got to get back home. Got a few things I've got to take care of, but yeah, what a fantastic experience. If you've never been to visit your local beekeeping association, I suggest you get down there. Right, that's all for tonight. I'll see you next time.